Machine shoulder press. Primary muscle, shoulder. Instruction: set the weight, sit down, grab the handles and make sure your feet are solid on the floor. Exhale and press the handles up until your arms are extended. Lower, while keeping the weight stack in the air for resistance throughout the entire exercise, and repeat. Ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.